Hi students, welcome to Competitive Exams Module channel. Yeah, in this video we are going to see a important Java coding interview question. Write a Java program to find the number of words in a sentence and the corresponding character. Okay. So, and the corresponding character count for that particular word. So, given an example, hello world is the string we are passing. Okay, what we need to do for this hello, we need to find the number of characters. Okay, hello, the number of characters in the hello are 5 and the number of characters in the world are 5. Okay, we have two words in this string. So what we need to do, we need to get the output like this, hello and 5. Okay, this is one of the very important Java interview question. So kindly carefully follow this video. Okay, first I'll be explaining you the series of steps what we are going to do, and then we'll look into the program. So for this, what we need to do is, we need to split this string first of all. Okay, first we need to, before even splitting the string, what we need to do is, as everyone know, string is the collection of characters. But here if you see, we need the character count. Okay, so first what we need to do is, we need to convert this string into character array. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, what we need to do, here first we create an character array from the given string using string class toChar array method. So by using string class toChar array method, what we need to do, we need to convert this hello world string into individual characters. Okay, like this. Just I'm giving an example. H and then E, comma, L, so on. Okay, till D. So what we need to do, we need to convert this string into character array. So after that, what we need to do, we need to iterate through this character array. This is the character array. We need to iterate through the character array using for loop. Okay, what we need to do is, we need to iterate through this array starting from the first character. Starting from the first character, what we need to do, we need to traverse through this complete characters. So first with A, H, and then E, and then L, like that. Okay. So what we need to do, we need to traverse to this complete character array starting from H and ending with D. So using for loop. So what we need to do is, inside this for loop, we need to create an empty string. Okay. Just I'm writing the code, sample code here. I need to create an empty string. So what I'll be doing is, so I'll iterate through this each character array, okay, starting from H, and then if it is not empty, what I'll be doing is, I'll append this character to this string. Okay, I'll append this character to this string until and unless that character is not empty. So first what happens, H will get appends when I iterate through this array, and in the second loop, E gets appended. In the third loop, L gets appended. In the fourth loop, L gets appended, and in the fifth loop, O gets appended. Okay. So now what I'll do is, if I have a space, what I'll do, I'll skip that. I'll skip this loop. That means I'll come out of this loop whenever I have an empty space. So now I'll be having what in this string? Hello. Now I'll be having in this string as hello. Now I'll print this length of this string, str.length, as well as str. So str will give me hello and str.length will give me 5. Try to understand the logic. So if you understand the logic, it is very easy to write the program. So try to understand the logic. And then since after the space, right, what I'll do, I'll come out of the loop. Here I'll be having two loops. One is for loop, which will iterate through each character, and one is while loop, which will have this space condition. So in this while loop, I'll write a condition. If the character is empty space, what I'll do, I'll come out of that. Okay. and then what will happen, it will, now I'll iterate from this character W. Okay, now I'll have W and the string is empty. Why? Because in this for loop every time I am initializing. And then O. In the second iteration I'll append O. Now I'll be having WO. In the third iteration I'll append R. In the fourth iteration I'll append L. In the fifth iteration I'll append D. That's it. So now since it has reached till the end of the array, now I'll have in this string what I'll be having value as world. Okay, world. So now when I print this, I'll be getting hello, the number of characters in hello as 5 and the world as 5. Okay, let me go over these steps once again. Here we have to find the number of words in a sentence and the corresponding character count of each word. First, create a character array. This is the first step. As I have told you, this is the first step. And now what is the second step? We iterate the character array using for loop. Inside for loop, we declare a string with empty implementation. This is the for loop. Okay, first for loop. Inside the for loop, I'll be declaring an empty string implementation. So whenever we found an alphabet, we will perform concatenation of that alphabet with the string variable and increment the value of I. Okay, what we will do, whenever we found an character, okay, we will append this to the string and then we will increment. So what happens if we increment? So it will traverse to the next character and then it gets appended here. Okay, now we will print the string variable with the length of the string. Okay, even before that there is one more step. So when it reaches a space, it will come out from the while loop, and now string variable has the word which is previous of space. So now what I'll be doing is, since whenever a space comes, what I'll do, I'll come out of the loop and I'll print till hello. Okay, why? Because this string will have till hello. Now we'll print the string variable with the length of the string. Hope you understand the logic. So I'm going to explain you the program as well, and while debugging also I'll show you how it works. Okay, so that it will be easy for you to understand this program. Okay, this is my Java class count characters. Count characters. So first what I will do, first I'll create a class called count characters. Okay, and inside that I have written a main method. Okay, and now I have to find what the length of, the number of characters in each word in the given string. So what is the given string? Hello world. Okay, and then I'll call count of string. Count of string. So here what I need to do inside this count of string, as I told you, first what we need to do, we need to create a character array. So how do you create a character array in Java? By converting string to character array by using toChar array method. So when we call str.toChar array, it converts the given string into character array. Now as I told you, I'll be looping through the each character, starting from H, ending with D. Okay, so now initially I will be 0 and I less than ch.length I plus plus. First what I'll be doing, I'll take a initial string with empty implementation. Okay, so when the character is not a space, okay, the character is not a space, what I will be doing, I will take that character and append it to the string. So what I'll do, I'll take a character and appending to the string s equals to s plus ch of I. So what happens, first I'll be having, okay, first character is H. Okay, now it will come to this loop, while I less than ch dot length, ch of I not equal to space. So ch of I not equals to space, it is true. What will happen, s will become s plus ch of I. S plus ch of I. S is what? Empty. Okay. So empty plus H. What it will become? H. Okay. Empty plus H. It will become H. Now I gets incremented. Now what is the value of I? 2. 2 less than ch dot length. Ch dot length is 11. 2 less than 11. Ch of I not equal to empty. True. Now what will happen? It will append E. Okay, initially we have empty and then H and then E. Now I gets incremented. Is I empty? Not an empty. Now it will append L. It will append L. Now what is the next step? Again I gets incremented. I less than ch dot 11, true. Okay, it is true. I starts with 0 and then 1 and then 2, 0, 1, 2. Now it comes to the third character. 3 less than ch dot length, true. Now it will take ch of I, that means ch of 3, and then it will print L. Now I is 4. 4 less than ch dot length. 4 less than ch dot length is 11, that is true. Now what will happen? Ch of I not equals to empty. Now it will print append O. Okay, hello. Now what happens? I gets incremented. I is less than ch dot length, that is true, and ch of I not equal to space, false. Okay, why it is false? Now ch of I after hello we have an empty space. Okay, after hello we have an empty space. So now what it happens? It will come out of this loop, and if s dot length is greater than 0, true. What is the s dot length? S is hello. Okay, s dot length greater than 0, it will print hello and the number of characters as 5. Okay, now after coming out of this loop, since it has space, now it comes here. Now it creates one more array, one more string, empty string here, and then it starts looping. Okay, with the character. Now till we have completed till here. Till here we have completed, iterating till here, hello space. Now it will start from W. So I equals to, what is the position of W? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now W position is 6. It will come to here. So I equals to 6. I less than character dot length, true. I plus plus. Now S will become empty. Initially S will be empty. Okay. Now it will come here. 6 less than character dot length, true. Ch of 6. Ch of 6 not equals to empty. What it will do? It will append to this string. So now the S will be W. Okay. Now it will increment I plus plus. Now I will become 7. Okay. 7 less than character dot length. 7 less than character dot length. And what is the next character? O. Is O empty? No. And it will append to this S. Now increment to I value. Now increment I value. Now what it will happen? I value will be R. Okay. Similarly it loops till world. After reaching the end of the character, it will have S as world. Okay. Now if I print if S dot length dot greater than 0, that is true. System dot out dot println, S will have world and S dot length will have 5 characters. Okay. This is the program. Let me run the program and show you the output. So hello is 5 and world is 5. Okay. Let me debug this program just for 2 loops and then explain you what exactly happens. So initially I starts with 0. Okay. And then it will check the character dot length. What is the character dot length? 11. That's true. Hello world will contain 11 characters. Now string S. I am creating empty string. Now S will contain empty. Now what will happen? I less than ch dot length. Okay, 0 less than 11. That is true. If you see, I contains 0, ch dot length is 11, 0 less than 11, that is true. Now ch of I is what? H. Is H equals to empty? No. Now what will happen? It will come into this condition. Inside it will come into this loop. Now S is what? S plus ch of I. That is H. Now increment the I value. Now what is the I value now? 2. Okay. Just let me come to this. I value, first I value 0. Now I value will be the 2. Now check the ch of I. What is ch of I? L. So after E, now it is L. Okay. First H will come, then E, then L. So it will continue in this loop till O. Till O. Why? Because after O we have space and this condition will fail and it will come out of this loop. I will show that example here. I will show that how it comes out of this loop from here. Okay. Now string contains hello. Okay, now what is the value of ch of I? Ch of I is empty. Okay, so will it go into this loop? No, it will come out of this loop and it will print system.out.println string and its length. Okay, hope you understand this program. Thanks for watching this video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.